Hi everybody, this is Liam Hulse and you're listening to the Market Watch Review. In today's release, we'll cover the following topics: statistics of the epidemic and protests of Berlin, overview of trading at the beginning of the week, and Joe Biden intends to end the trade war. At the beginning of the new week, the global growth of the COVID-19 slowed down slightly. Over the past day, the number of new cases of COVID-19 detected was 489,000, against 582,000 infected the day before. The death rate also decreased and amounted to 7.5 thousand cases compared to 9,000 2 days earlier. We see that the growth of the 7-day mobility trend has somewhat flattened, which may be due to the observed stabilization in the main European countries. However, according to the World Health Organization, the rate of infection will not decrease in 2021, and it becomes quite natural that countries continue to impose restrictions. The reaction to the quarantine measures had the opposite effect on people in Germany. On Sunday, a rally against quarantine measures was held in the streets of Berlin. The event has been approved and can be attended by up to 5,000 people. At the same time, similar actions are taking place in other cities: Hamburg, Stuttgart, and Cottbus. The number of participants there is significantly lower than in Berlin. On Wednesday, a peaceful protest near the Brandenburg Gate in the German capital turned into serious clashes with police. 365 people were detained. 77 guards were injured. Police used water cannons and demonstrators threw firecrackers and bottles in response and tried to break through the cordon. Despite the difficult epidemiological situation, the opening of the week in the capital markets is neutral. Trading in Asia began with the growth of major stock indices, so the Shanghai Composite Index of the Shanghai Stock Exchange is growing by 1%. The spot price of gold is growing by 0.2%, and the average price for a barrel of oil is also showing an upward trend of 0.5%. We have a shortened trading week ahead of us as the Americans prepare to celebrate Thanksgiving, and so markets should be relatively calm on Thursday and Friday. Of the interesting events in the world of politics, it should be mentioned that Joe Biden, the newly elected US president, will return the country to the WHO and also talks about ending the trade war with China. At a press conference in Wilmington, Delaware on Thursday, Biden was asked whether he is determined to resort to the measures mentioned above after taking office of President of the United States. According to Biden, the United States and its allies must agree on a common understanding of the rules that China must adhere to. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.